just gonna put glue on here. Lots of it so it glues out when you push them together. And then I'm just gonna use one clamp, but I suggest using two. And we're gonna lay it flat. And then get as tight as you can get it, and then you smear it with your fingers to make sure it gets in the cracks good. Can I use the towel now?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm just going to wipe it so it's not super visible on the outside, and less sanding you have to do. And then make sure it's very tight. Do we flip it over too then?
Yeah, like for access.
Okay, then we're gonna flip it over and wipe this side.
Great.
And then let that set until it's dry. It's the next day. We have cut all the pieces. And then the piece that we glued yesterday to the two, we glued together to make this piece. And then we're just gonna sand them all down. We're all done sanding, and it only took me like 45 minutes. So now that we're all done, we got all of the wood pieces all sanded. This is 1.5 inches, and we're going to screw it onto the back plate, like around here-ish. And then we're going to nail this one on top of it, and then go from there. Now we have this screwed on, centered in 1 inch up. We're going to be putting the middle plate, or this plate, onto here. We're going to use trim nails, and then we're going to glue it. Put on a little bit of glue so that it doesn't ooze out, because that would look very bad, and it's hard to sand once this plate is on. And now that we have it all put together, this is what it looks like, and we can stain it after, and then we'll put the turkey and the bearded stuff on. Okay, so now we're just going to add the gloss over it. Here we have the finished product of our turkey tail. Me and my dad each did one, so we also have this one over here. We still need to attach the beard onto it. You can also add the turkey legs hanging down on the sides if you are interested in that, but we are personally not doing that. That's not supposed to happen. I did it the wrong way too.